Hey guys, what's up? So, a really great treat for you today. You may have seen my video recently where I did a review on the lovely Eagle Base Villa here in Tobago. So, part of that villa, there was actually a small side villa called the Honeymoon Cottage. And today, I'm going to go and pick up my wife from the airport, bring her back here and give her a little honeymoon treat and show you guys this lovely little villa that's really set up for two people, hence the name Honeymoon Villa. But it's also great for small families if you have one or two kids, as there's a fold-out bed, etc. So I'm going to go and pick her up from the airport. We're going to grab some Pepe's Pizza, which is one of my favorite pizza spots in the whole of Tobago. Bring it back here and give you guys a little rundown on the villa, maybe even take a dip in the jacuzzi. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go and check it out. Blessings. So we are on our way to go and pick up Steph from the airport now, and as you can see, it's been relentless rain for like the last 3 days in Tobago. Really outrageous stuff. But luckily we have a beautiful little villa to come home to, and a nice jacuzzi and some hot pizza, so the outside weather could stay rainy for like let's go and get her. Hi baby, so we're here. I've been here already. This is Steph's first time, so we're gonna let her do the walkthrough. Take us in.
Okay.
So the first area is the kitchen, a little kitchen setup.
Love the dining room.
A nice dining area here.
Very young.
An interesting fact that I've been told, so if you look below here, I don't know if you can see down there properly, this area actually could turn into a pull-out bed apparently.
Wow.
So if you have kids and stuff, this could be the kids' bedroom. This is the master bedroom and the only bedroom really. You can see they have a nice swan laid out here for us.
It has like a little walk-in closet kind of thing.
Yes. You can see I've left my clothes on the ground like a real man. Lots of nice art and decor.
And let's look at the
World Cup on the TV.
best.
The bathroom here.
It's very
Nice, everything is nice and modern.
Mm-hmm.
Toilet seat, window.
And you have a little couch here too.
Yes, a little couch if you want to sit and
Be
watch more
blinded.
World Cup. Yes.
Get even closer.
So yeah, other than that, it's just for us to go and check out the outside and the jacuzzi, which we'll do a little bit later.
Sunset jacuzzi.
Yes. Alright guys, so we're gonna finally relax and have our lovely pizza. Thank you very much again to Pepe's Pizza. You should check them out. They're located near the Crown Point area in Tobago. And one of my favorite pizzas in Tobago. They also own Baco's Pizza in Trinidad. So quality across the board. Babe, what do we have there?
Wrong way. Your mushroom and pepperoni.
So mushroom and pepperoni. I'm a big pepperoni mushroom man. Stephanie likes that kind of cheesy pizza.
And I got cheesy and bacon.
So you got a Greek pizza with feta cheese, yeah? And but we added bacon to this one here. So it doesn't normally come with bacon. It looks absolutely delicious. So thank you, Pepe's.
Let's dig in.
Let's dig in. Guys, for the first time in 3 days, there's some sunshine as you can see behind me there. So I'm gonna fly the drone a little bit, and Steph and I are gonna jump into that jacuzzi, and then we'll bid you farewell. But let's see what the viewers have to say first. has shown us that the jacuzzi is now ready, so we're gonna take a walk out into the garden led by Stephanie. Head into that jacuzzi. It's nice and not too hot, but good hot. Baby, did you find something there?
I did.
And what is it?
Something scary. It's a frog. We don't know if it's real or not.
I think it is real.
I don't know. I don't want to find out.
Let's see how close I can get to it. Hopefully it isn't. Baby's going inside. Guys, is this a real frog? I think it's real. Alright, my lady, take us to the jacuzzi.
Alrighty.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Hi, Mr. Frog. We'll see you later. Note to self, be careful, the stairs are a little bit slippery. Okay, let Stephanie be the tester. Is it hot or is it just right?
It's hot.
It's hot. And I mean, that's how it's supposed to be. I guess you just have to get used to it.
Yeah. But I'm sure it'll be relaxing. It's actually just kind of chilly outside.
Alright.
Nice.
Nice. I'll take one more view of the garden, guys. Actually got a little sunlight this evening for a change. How nice is that? Well, guys, I hope you've enjoyed our little honeymoon villa vacation here. This is available for rent, much like last week's video with the main villa that's up there. All the information will be below in the caption, so check that out. Thank you to Stephanie for coming across and giving me some company.
Yes, of course.
How do you find the villa?
It's perfect. I love it. I would happily come back here. It really is very, very comfortable. The beds are nice. The towels are really nice.
That's good.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah, the only advice I would give you coming here is that it is a little secluded in the sense that you must have a rental car or bring your car from Trinidad, because you'll need that to get your groceries, go to the beach and stuff. I also advise coming here with all your stuff at hand so you don't have to leave too often back and forth, because it's about 10 to 15 minutes drive to the nearest like convenience store and that kind of stuff. But otherwise, perfect. Lots of animals, lots of fun.
Lots of chicks, lots of, what are the other ones?
Frogs, birds,
whatever. All kind of, crazy animals.
So yeah, well guys, from Steph and I, have a fantastic week. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. And lots of this kind of content and stuff to come in the future. Much more Trinidad, beaches, accommodations, culture, food, everything. And a lot more Stephanie.
Yeah?
Sometimes.
Yay! Lucky me.
I know. She's so famous and popular. Trying to steal my shine.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're going into the jacuzzi. I'll leave you with a cool GoPro time lapse of us swimming around in circles, and then you can go to sleep.
Bye,
Peace
guys.
out. Bye.